William and welcome to realtime.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start to learn and develop mobile gaming apps like Flappy Bird in a short period of time, like in months. Now I understand you have seen courses or someone bragging to you that they could turn you into an apps developer in days. That's not possible. Come on. Realistically, there will be a learning curve, and if you are determined and willing to invest enough time to learn, you will ultimately be the apps developer you have wanted to be. And no, I'm not referring to creating mobile site, or rather HTML5 version of the mobile site that fits into smaller screen size smartphones. I'm looking into actual native gaming apps like Angry Birds, Cut the Rope, Fruit Ninja, and one mobile app that has caused a global phenomenal hoo-ha like the Flappy Bird. Yes, I'm talking about those mobile gaming apps that are usually in the games category of the iOS App Store and Google Play. And for the sanity of the human brain, I'm not going to be involved in sleepless programming nightmare like Objective-C in Xcode, nor hardcore Java programming in Eclipse for the Android. I'll be touching on quick apps deployment frameworks like I posted in realtime.com, meet apps like Flappy Bird. Now if you check out this post in realtime.com, you will realize I have quite a long list of mobile apps development middleware listed, but I'm only going to recommend 4 of them, which are ideal for beginners to start learning and developing your own mobile apps. They are Corona SDK, Game Salad, Stencil, and Playmaker. Let me first touch on Game Salad. As a pioneer in fast deployment mobile apps developing platform, it has one of the largest community. One key advantage of Game Salad is that there is no coding involved, and you can get tons of mobile apps template that is usually cost less than $50. All you need to do is to modify this template with new graphic and add a cool soundtrack, and you can have a mobile apps under your belt in less than a week. But of course, one disadvantage of this is that the game will lack originality and will not be unique. Next, Corona SDK is a very versatile framework that can create more than just gaming apps. It can also go a little bit to business app and particularly ebook style apps. Though Corona involves coding in Lua programming language, it can be kinda code-free using third-party extension like Quizshare, which is a Photoshop plugin. Then we have Stencil, which involves no or rather minimal coding. It got a simple, logical drag and snap interface. One key advantage of this framework is the ability to code once and publish to various platforms like iOS, Android, even to Kindle, etc. Stencil is very well documented, with very good tutorials and resources in Stencilpedia and Stencilfort. To avoid paralysis of analysis, you won't get wrong by starting with any of these frameworks. Notwithstanding prior preference, I strongly suggest you to start learning and developing apps using Stencil by downloading its latest version from the site. Currently, it is at version 3, and going through the crash course 1 and 2 and start stenciling your own mobile apps. Nevertheless, there is a 4th and most favorite choice that I'll be hopping on alongside Stencil, and that's Playmaker for Unity 3D. Well, technically speaking, Playmaker is not a mobile apps development platform. The platform in use here is Unity 3D. Playmaker is a plugin in Unity that allows you to create mobile apps via visual scripting. In other words, no coding. If you spend hours online to check the reviews on Playmaker, you'll know that it's highly positive and highly recommended by many hardcore programmers. Also, Playmaker is an excellent gateway to Unity 3D, which is one of the best platforms to create professional 2D and even 3D mobile gaming apps. Well, at the end of the day, to be a successful apps developer, it still boils down to creativity and novelty of your games. One thing's for sure, It will involve great determination from you to engage in massive learning and start developing. So for a start, create simple but fun or sometimes frustrated games like Flappy Bird. You can never know, you can jolly well be the next apps millionaire. I will see you at the other ends of the road as an apps developer. Meanwhile, happy developing.